want to do now is show you how you can actually use the stories you've created. So to use a story, we're in a story group called Holidays with the student Helen. I'm just going to click on the book and you come up with this screen, and it gives you lots of different options of what you can do with the story. You can click words as one option. You can recreate the story as another option. You can listen to the story. You can view the story, or you can read the story. You can also, down below, you'll see you can edit the story. You can add videos and sound effects to the story. You can print it. You can export it. And then you can delete it, and then you can go in and find the various settings for that story. But for the moment, I just want to teach you about click words. So select click words.
Going to see the birds. Click on see.
So click words, in that mode, it asks the student to click on the words in the sentence, but not in the order that they appear in the sentence. So we're working on word recognition.
Click on see.
If there's a pause and they don't do anything, then after a little while it will say click on the word again, like it just did then. So the first word is see.
See. Click on the. Click on to. Click on to. Click on to.
You'll see here that I have been clicking on birds. So if the student gets it wrong when it's told to click on to, it clicks on another word, it will just repeat the request to click on the correct word.
Click on to. Click on to. Click on birds. Click on going to see the birds.
We're going to go and see the birds.
Here's the video that we attached to that page.
Aren't we?
So that gives the students some motivation to actually do the work and clicking on the words that they want. Now we'll go to the next page. Up on the right hand corner, click on the arrow.
We go over the bridge. Click on the. Click on over. Click on bridge. Click on go. Click on we go over the bridge.
We go over the bridge.
Here's the video for the second page.
Here's the stream.
Now we can go to the next page.
Then we go up the hill. Click on go. Click on up.
Now what you can do also, if a student seems to be losing concentration, if you hit this button here.
Then we go up the hill. Click on up.
It repeats reading the story.
Up. Click on then. Click on the. Click on we. Click on hill. Then we go up the hill.
If you want to stop a video, just right click the mouse and the video will stop. I think you get the idea. So that's how you use click words. If you want to go back to that screen with all of the options for how to use the story, click on that one at the top.
Then we
and then
go up
click
the
on
hill.
the car icon.
Click on
and you can leave the story. And now we're back where we were.